Okay, everyone. So in the last session, we have seen how to write a Java code and how to install JDK. Once again, I will just show you the steps of how to download and install JDK. So we have seen about Java and its features also in the last few sessions, last session and all. How to work with Java. First, you have to download the JDK. Go to the Google and type JDK 17 version download. If you download any version low or high, it's fine. It's not an issue. You can just go through the site and then according to your platform, either it is Windows or Linux or Mac OS, just select that and click on what? Download option so that it will get downloaded on your system. Okay, once it is downloaded, you can go to the downloads folder and then you can select JDK and then you can just double click on this. It will install on your machine. Okay, so once it is installed on the machine, then it will be available under My Computer C and then Program Files, Java, JDK, bin. So everyone might have got this. Okay, and then how to set path permanently and temporarily we have seen. Permanent way, I will just revise once. You can go to the edit system environment variables. Just మీరు search లో you can just type here like environment variables. You can find this edit environment variables and here in this you can select the new and type the path here and the value should be whatever the path you have installed in your system. C program files, Java, JDK till what? Bin. So if in this copying is problem, you can just go to the browse directory and then from here also you can select C and then here you can just go to the program files and then in this you can select the Java and then JDK and then bin and then click on what? Okay, that path will come. Either you copy paste here or you can browse the directory, not file, because we need complete directory which will provide us all the files required for our Java execution. So you need to give the directory location. So and then click on what? Okay. So this is the process for what? Setting the Java path permanently. This I have explained in the last session. And after this, we have seen the steps to create the Java code. First Java program. So here you have to open Notepad, write the Java code and save the file with what? Exactly the class name that you have given and go to the command prompt and go to that particular folder and these all steps. But we have seen only till writing the Java code and save the file with what? Class name.java. So further we will see today how to run and execute. So 4/7/25. So today is the third session. Okay, see everyone how we are going to write. Here we have created one notepad, right? We created one folder also, like in my computer, in the C drive, we have created a folder called Java 19. Yesterday, if you remember, in this, I have written one code, sample.java. And I explained about each and every term in the last session. Those who missed yesterday's session, once see, in Java, we follow all the OOPS concepts. Like every program we will write within class and object format. So here this is the class and this is what? Class name. Remember the class name should always start with what? Capital letter. If you give small, it won't give you error. But according to the standards, you have to write class name with what? Capital. And the main method, public static void main. So this is the main is like heart of your Java program. The program execution will start from main. And since it has to be available for every class or when you run, we are making it as what? Public. So public means it is accessible by any class. And then static means what? It can be called directly by what? Class name without object. And then void means what? It does not return any value. In last session, I explained in detail. Just I am revising once again. Those who missed, you can message that you are attending today demo one first session. They will share you the recording session. You can go through that once. And one point here, only static methods can be called directly by what? Method name or class name. But non-static methods compulsory require what? Object. So here println is a method which is used to print data on what? Screen. Whatever we write, it will print the data in console. Console means as an output window. Now, to call this println method, we require object that is out. And this is present in which class? System class. So system dot out dot what we wrote? Println. And here it is going to print what? Hello world on the screen. System is the class, out is the object, and println is what? Method. This is a first Java basic program. Okay, I'm just giving this in the completely in the text file so that you can just see this. Someone has written something. Can you just erase it? Okay, thank you. Okay, fine. Now we will see how to run this code now. As we wrote the step by step, we will follow the same steps now. So after writing the code, I'm just removing the comments. You can keep it also, but just I'm removing the comment. This is our code. You have to save this code with what? Dot Java. When for the first time you are saving, you have to click on what? Save as, and just keep one folder separately for our Java programs, and then save with what? Sample dot Java. We already saved yesterday. Now, what is the next step that you have to do to run? After writing the program and saving the file, you have to go to again what? Command prompt. So go to the search and type what? CMD, command prompt. And here you have to type what? CD slash. So everything I gave the step. So you can just type what? CD slash. Then you will get the prompt like this. Okay. And then you have to go to the folder where you saved your Java program. Okay, go to the folder of Java code where we created in C drive Java 19. So this is the path you have to type there. So how? By using CD space C colon Java 19. So this is how you have to type, or it will move to, okay, you have to type, just already we are in C drive, no? CD Java 19, you can just type the folder name. Okay, you have to open the path with what? With that CD Java 19, it will move to that particular folder. Then here what you have to do, what is the next step that you have to do here after opening that path? You can see here, go to the folder, CD folder name, and then you have to just do what? Compile the code. What is the command to compile? Java C class name dot Java or file name. So now in the command prompt, I'm going to type here. So here what we have to type? Java C. What is the file name? Sample dot Java. Then it will compile. If there is any error, it will show here. If it is correct, then it will not show the error. And then to run, you have to type Java and then what? Sample. So then here it will give you what? Output. But నేను ఇది run చేసే ముందు I'll show you one thing. What I wrote here, when you compiled the code, you will be getting what? Bytecode in which file? Dot class file. So let us check the folder. Previously only Java file is there. Now what is there? Class file. You can see the type here. What is there? Dot class file. Got it? So in this dot class file, you will be having bytecode which is not exactly understandable. Got it? So this is the dot class file it is generating. Now you have to run the code. Now you have to run the code. So Java what? Sample. So sometimes if it is not able to find the exact folder, it will give you such error. So just to get the exact folder, you have to type in this way. That is, you can just run by Java -cp dot what? Sample. This is the way to run. If you are getting any error similar to like this, you can just run Java -cp. Means exact code path it is not able to get sometimes. Because I have saved for Java and database and then for advanced frameworks. Sometimes if it is. Yes. See, I got the output. Means we are in correct folder only, but because of the path setting, sometimes it may not find out the main class. So it's compiled, right? It generated the dot class file. So that time you have to run by using this command because some people may get error. Means exact path. If we are giving actually in Java 19 path, but still it couldn't find the dot class file. That is the reason we are saying exact path with what? Dot class file and of what? Sample. So it will give you what? Output. So this is the process to run your Java code. Is it clear everyone? Same, I will just give you this command also. If you get error, you have to type this command. If you get the error, you have to type this command here. I am writing the same run execute Java file name. If you are getting the error, then you have to type like this. Okay. I will share this complete process in the chat box for online students. You can also just check and try once after the session. Okay, it may be very big. I will just, I think till here yesterday I have sent. I will send from the compilation part. Okay. After the session, everyone try this process. If not, you ask me in the next session, I will help you. Okay, everyone? Online students, is it clear, everyone? Ajay Kumar, everyone, is it clear? Pallavi, Jagannath, Nidhi, Soumya, Vamsi, Pavani. Okay, good. So this is the process to compile and execute. So first we have to compile and then we have to run the code. In case, generally everyone will not get such error. If you get also, if the path is correct, everything is correct, but still if you are not able to load the main class, then you type this command, it will work. Okay? Yes. So this is the process. This is the code and this is the explanation about the code. I hope it is clear, everyone. Now, all of you, by the next session, you can just try for some other examples also. Now here, I will show the same code once again. Here I wrote system.out.what? Println. This is printing whatever we write. Like this, how many lines we can write? Any number of lines. Suppose I am writing here system.out.println and I am writing like my name is Likita. I'm just writing and then I was saving it. And again system.out.println. I'm writing like I am Java full stack trainer. I'm writing. Okay, now I'm just saving this. After adding two lines, I'm saving the code. Okay, go back to the command line and here I'm just executing the same command. If you press the up arrow mark, it will come previous command. And if you run, it is printing only hello world. It is not printing the data I have added. I saved, right? It should print. But it is first converting into dot class file, and when you run it is taking the dot class file, not the original file. So your dot class file is having only what? Hello world only. So to get the updated data, you have to compile again. Every time you make any modification, you have to save it and you also have to compile it again. Now, if you compile again only, the updations will be saved. So, what you have to type here, Java C sample.java and again this. Now, are we getting? Hello world, my name is Likita. I am Java full stack trainer. So remember the point, whenever you make the changes and you are executing through the notepad, you have to compile it and then only run it. Because the dot class file is used for the execution, not the original Java file. So the dot class file will have the previous code only. So to get the updated code, you have to again compile and then you have to run. Clear everyone? So this is the process you have to execute your Java code. This is through the notepad. Now, in the recent times and everyone, we are using some IDEs. What we are using? IDE. Like we will learn about here what IDE? Eclipse IDE. Anyone joining from the US, if you are using any other IDE also no problem. If you already in your college or school, if you are working with IntelliJ IDEA or any other, you can keep that, no problem. Okay, same process will be there, only the environment will change, that's it. So all of you, I will show you the process of downloading the Eclipse IDE now. Okay, so go to the Google and here you have to type Eclipse download. This also depends upon your OS. Okay, you can just download here in the Eclipse. You can just select here for the different versions of this and then you can just select the first one. Archive file is not required. You can select this one, all of you. What you have to type? మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూపిస్తున్నాను చూడండి. Go to the Google, type Eclipse download and click on this Eclipse download. And then here, just you can scroll little and then here you see whatever version you have, but you have to download this. Select this and download it. Okay. So when you download, you will be getting in the downloads folder. I already have, so I did not download. You will see like this Eclipse installation JRE Win64. So this is a file you have to download. Okay. And here you will get the file like this. Okay. And you have to double click this. When you double click this file, the installation process will start. So before installing this, install JDK. Okay. because it will configure with JDK in your system automatically. You need not set path for it like we done with Notepad. If you want to run with command prompt, you have to set the path. But for Eclipse, it will automatically configure with JDK. But first install JDK and then install what? Eclipse. So now Eclipse, there are many versions. See all of you carefully. Eclipse IDE for Java, and then enterprise Java and what? Web developer, C or C++. Like this, you have multiple options for which purpose you are downloading the Eclipse. Those who are learning only core Java, this is enough. But we have to develop a full stack application, right? That means we need to develop enterprise application, Java EE. So you have to download this. Eclipse IDE for what? Enterprise Java and web. So select this second option, everyone. See here. When you double click the installation file, you will get this. You have to click on this. Then you have to click on what? Install. See here, create start menu, desktop shortcut. Keep it like that. Okay, it will take this path, C program files Java JDK automatically, and it will install in this location, installation folder. If you want, you can change the folder also. Okay, and then click on what? Install. Then it will be installing in your system. Okay, I'm not doing it because it's already there in my machine. All of you, after the session, you can try, or parallelly you can keep on installing. It will take little time. The internet speed should be good, then only it will install what? Fast, because it has to install so many things, configuring with JDK and everything. So this Eclipse IDE is suitable for Java, and then JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and so many tools that we will learn like Maven, Gradle, Git, any web services, everything it is compatible. If you are downloading only Java, then it is not possible. So that's why you have to download what? Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web development. Okay, this you have to install. Clear everyone? Online students, do you have any questions? Online students, do you have any questions? No? Okay, fine. Now I will open the Eclipse. When you are installing, and if you say the create desktop icon, you will find the Eclipse like this. Everyone. Okay. You can make it like Eclipse anedi kanipistundi. So here you have to double click this. You have to double click this and then it will open. So now you have to choose the path. మన ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అన్ని ఎక్కడ సేవ్ చేయాలో మనం చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో త్రూ ద నోట్ ప్యాడ్ వీ ఆల్రెడీ సేవ్డ్ అండర్ సి డ్రైవ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫోల్డర్? జావా 19. Yes or no? By default, you will get this workspace. When you open for the first time, it will show this workspace. C colon slash, whatever your laptop has name or desktop, your name will come, Nidhi, Pavani, or whatever, Sirisha, whatever name it will be, it will come here, slash mot eclipse workspace. If you want, you can save there. Otherwise, you can also choose whatever folder you want. So I am saving under C colon Java 19. So all my programs will be saved under that particular folder. And then click on what? Launch. Nothing. It will set automatically. When I showed you installing, it is taking C program files Java JDK. Did you observe? I showed you also. When you are clicking here, the installation file, and you select the Eclipse Java EE, it is taking the path automatically. You need not provide the path, set the path. That's why you have to first install JDK. Then it will configure automatically with that and install. So if you select this Eclipse IDE, you can see C program file Java JDK 17, whatever we installed. if through the notepad we are doing same thing, setting the path, but here it is automatically taking that path. So you need not worry about it. Setting the path is not required for Eclipse. So now you can just see your window also will open like this first time. Means it will provide you some documentation, how to create a new project, import, all these things. If you want, you can go through this once. That's up to you. Otherwise, you can just close this what? Welcome screen. Just now your window will look like this. So now we install Java for what? Advanced level, core and advanced level also. So since we opened with advanced level, directly it will not show you the Java project. It will show for what? Advanced level of projects. So don't worry, we will make it compatible with Java, core Java. How means you can go to the file, observe all of you carefully. I will give the steps also. New, and then what? You have to go to the file, and then you have to go to new, and then you have to select what? Project. I'll take screenshot of this and then paste it in the Word document. You can also follow the same steps. I have already, but just I'm showing you step by step how to do it. So by following the screenshots also, you can just create. You have to go to the file, new, and then what? Project. So here, when you select the project, okay, what project we want to create now? Java. So type here what? Java. Then select what? Java project, and then click on what? Next. So this also I'm taking the screenshot. So you have to select the Java project and click on what? Next. I think you will understand. You have to select the Java project and then click on what? Next. Then after that, what you have to do? Give the project name. That means just a subfolder name. Now we are doing core Java, right? So I'm giving the project name as what? Core. And then you have to click on the next, or you can click on what? Finish. So this also I'm taking print screen. You have to give the project name and then click on what? Finish. Clear? So now when you click on next or finish, then it will create a Java project. It will ask one pop-up window. So what it is asking, do you want to open in Java perspective? You installed for Java EE, but do you want to open in what? Java perspective. Then you can click on what? Open. Then your Eclipse is ready for your Java programs. See, these all first time it will be a process. From the second time it will be easy. So anything you are learning for the first time, it will be a little process. After that, it is easy for you, no problem. You can close this extra windows if you don't want. And then here you have to go to the expand core. This is the project name we have given, expand SRC. Okay, then right click on the source folder. SRC stands for what? Source folder. Right click on this and say new, and then what you have to select? Class. Because everything we are writing in what? Class only, no? So you have to select what? Class. So select the class here and give the class name. Like whatever name you want. I am giving just what? Hello. And then we are writing public static void main. But here you can directly select what? Public static void main. And then you can just click on what? Finish. I will show once again complete process. Don't worry. Then it will write the code structure, everything for us and give. Whatever we wrote in notepad, public class hello, public static void main, string arguments, everything it wrote. What you have to write here only system dot out dot print ln, and inside this you will be writing like welcome to Java in Eclipse. I'm just writing welcome to Java in Eclipse. End with what? Semicolon. Clear? Now, how to run this? In the command prompt, you have to use two commands, that is javac filename.java and java file name. But here you can directly run. So click on the run button. Then you can see here, welcome to Java in what? Eclipse. It will only both compile and run. You need not worry. మనం టూ కమాండ్స్ రాయక్కర్లేదు. ఇట్ విల్ ఓన్లీ కంపైల్ అండ్ రన్ ఆల్సో. ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఆర్ ఎనీ ఎర్రర్స్ ఇట్ విల్ షో హియర్. Clear everyone? So once again I am showing the process. All of you see carefully. You have to go to the file, new. If the Java project is not visible, go to the other, and then you have to type what? Java project. Select the project, click on the next and give the project name. Anything. Suppose the project name is like I'm giving my name, Likita. And then you can click on next or finish. Then it will create the project. So you can see the Likita project here. Expand the project, expand the SRC, right click on the SRC and say new, and then what? Class. Give the package name as well as what? Class name. Sometimes package name will come automatically. That is whatever you have here. Otherwise, give the package name like sample or whatever. Core programs or basic, anything you give. And class name is something like what you want the class name. I'm giving like person. And if you don't want to type the main method, select the main method and click on what? Finish. It will only type main method also for you. And in between, you can just type the code. Clear everyone? Online students, is it clear everyone? Any questions? Okay, Soumya, Vamsi, everyone? Okay. Wow.
I have a question.
Yeah, Nidhi.
So I'm trying to download the Eclipse for my Mac, but then it says like on that page where you click Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and web developers, it says Java 21 plus VM, and for you it said JDK, but for me it says GRE 21.07. Is that okay?
You're getting JRE, not JDK.
Yeah.
So it's fine, but if you can you type like JDK or Eclipse? Eclipse you're telling?
Yeah, in Eclipse installer, like when you click Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers, like on the installer page,
Yeah,
um,
for the Mac
that's
if you type, okay, are you okay, you're getting like this?
yeah, I already clicked I clicked on the
Mac OS 64-bit.
oh, I think I accidentally went on that link up there. Like if you scroll up,
Okay.
there was the newer package. I think I clicked on that one.
Okay. Okay, newer package you have installed. Okay. Eclipse installer is enough actually. So you can just download according to the version, like whatever you have. You can just select this here. You can just scroll down and you can download this for your Mac OS from here. If it is working fine, you can download with JRE also. If in the package, can you see the Eclipse icon?
Um, yeah, I think it downloaded and it's on Eclipse installer.
Okay.
It had the same like page as you. It said Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers.
Okay. Then it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Try to open that, install and open it. If it is coming as same screen, then it is fine.
Okay, I'll try.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, try and let me know. Okay, anyone facing any issue, you can also please let me know so I can help you. So all of you by Monday session, I'll still continue the session. By Monday session, all of you print 15 lines of code. How many? 15 lines of code. And here, just about yourself, like about yourself, either from Notepad or from Eclipse, anything you can choose, and you can print about yourself, like what's your name, your qualification, every details of you, just for the practice purpose. Okay, clear? So now when you're printing here system.out.println, if I'm printing multiple lines, so here I have written multiple lines, right? Like my name is Likita, I'm Java full stack trainer, like that I have given some information. Every line is printed automatically in the new line. Yes or no? If you see the output here, every line is printed automatically in what? New line. Why it is printed in new line means you can see here because of the print ln. Because of what? Print ln. Now, instead of ln, if you are giving just print, it will not come in the new line. It will not come in the new line. Now I am saving this and once again I am executing the code. You can see the output. Everything is coming in the same line. Correct? Welcome to Java in Eclipse. My name is Likita. I am Java full stack trainer. Everything is coming in what? Same. Because why? Instead of print ln, I gave only print. So the difference is what? Ln is bringing to new line. Whenever you are writing print ln, it automatically prints in what? New line. Now if I save and run again, I'm getting everything in what? New line. Can you observe this? All of you? Online students, you can see the difference between print and println. So print means it will print in the same line. So println means new line. ln stands for new line. Clear everyone? Okay. So now within the same line, you want some spaces between two text. So here you are printing, I am a Java full stack trainer and you want to print some text here, but you want some space in between. Then you have to use some /n and /t for the tab spaces. These are called escape sequences. What are they? Escape sequences. So what are the escape sequence we have here? Few I am telling you. One is like /t. This /t is going to give us one tab space. And /n. Instead of ln, you can also give what? /n. /n will give you what? New line. /n will give you new line. So /t for tab space, /n for what? New line. Now I will show that here in second example, whatever I have created in person Java. So now here I am writing system.out.println like hello and my name is Likita. I am Java trainer. Now, if I'm typing this, everything will come in what? Same line. If you see the output here, everything is coming in same line. But I want in separate lines. Then what I have to give? After hello, I will just close the double quotes or you can just give here what? /n. What does this /n will do? it will bring to the new line. So what I'm doing, hello plus, plus is used for what? Concatenation, that is putting together. And I'm giving before my name is Likita, just I'm writing what? Slash n. What does this slash n will do? I'm writing in the comment. This double line is for the comment. So now here the slash n means it will bring to where? New line. Okay, sometimes you don't want to write multiple system.out.println. The single line should print what? All in new lines. So my name is Likita. Again, I'm closing the double quotes plus double quotes. I'm giving here what? Slash n. So now you see the output here. Are we getting in new line? Even though we wrote in system.out.println, wherever you write slash n, it automatically prints in what? New line. Now, in the place of slash n, if you are giving slash t, then it will give you tab space. What it will give? Tab space. Now, you can see the output here. So what it will give you? Tab space. Hello, one tab. If you press tab, how much space will come? That much space will be given here. Hello, my name is Likita. I am Java trainer. Got it? Is it clear, everyone, about slash n and slash t? Is there any confusion? Online students, about the slash n and slash t, is there any confusion? Clear? So slash n will bring in new line. Slash t will print in what? Same line with some space. Okay. I'm sharing this code also in the chat box. You can just make a note. Okay. Clear all? From Monday, who can come for the offline session? Try to join in the offline session. And if it is not possible, you can join in the online session also. But if it is possible, try to attend the offline session. Everyone. And all of you, give a message to the number that I was sharing you yesterday that you have attended the demo session, so that they will send you the demo and whatever the links. See, this is the number. All of you, send a message to this number that you have attended the demo session, so that they will share you the links so that you can go through it once. While installing Eclipse or JDK, if you are having any doubts, if you message to this number, they will share the demo link which is uploaded in the YouTube. You can go through it once and it will help you in installation. And you can share with your friends also the link so that they can go through the link and join from Monday. Whoever missed the session also, they can follow the 2 3 sessions of whatever they have missed and join from Monday without fail. So any more questions from the session? So all of you, by Monday, keep this ready installed. If not, you can bring offline laptop. I will help you in installation. Online students also, if you want, you can share your screen. I can help you in installation. Okay, don't miss the Monday session. We will be learning about like basic things, language basics, and also we will learn about very important thing like what is JDK and JVM and also JRE. These are the 3 important terms we have. Like JDK stands for Java Development Kit. I told you to install, no? First, I showed you program execution, but as a coding students, we always want to run one program and see. So that is the reason first I told that. But we need to know some information about what is JDK and what is completely JVM and its architecture of the JVM. Okay, this is very important. The architecture of the JVM and also what is JRE? Java Runtime Environment. Java runtime environment. These things also we will discuss first. And after that, we will discuss about the Java language basics. Okay, which are very important. Okay, don't miss the session, all of you. So, anyone, those who have doubts in the last 10 minutes, you can just ask me the questions. If anyone new are there. Nidhi, is it working?
I'm trying to re-download it now with the correct link. I think I clicked on like a different package. So I'll try it again and let you know if I have any questions.
Okay, fine. Okay, after downloading, you try to install it. If you're not able to do it, don't worry. On the Monday session, I can help you. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. And anyone else, any questions regarding till now? Anyone, did you install Eclipse? Pavani, Ajay, Soumya, Vamsi, Kavya, Gayatri, Sahiti. Anyone, any questions? Is it clear, everyone? Okay. See, since it is these are like demo sessions, I'm just taking for 50 minutes or something, 1 hour. After once the demo sessions are completed and you enroll, it will be almost like 1 hour and more than 1 hour also, like 1 hour, 10 minutes. 1 hour session will be there. After that, we'll discuss on doubts and tasks also. Okay. Clear, everyone? So still, if anyone is having questions in installation or anything, you can wait and ask me and others can leave the session.